Hello and welcome to EBA Day TV, and today I'm speaking to Salvatore Borgese of NTT Data. During the EBA Day this year, there was a lot of talk about innovation in payments, innovation being one of the major themes of the show. And for example, my bank launched at the show. So are the IT solution providers ready to support this type of future scenario?
A lot of players in the IT arena are approaching new solutions, new services around e-payments, e-services, and so on. Of course, the markets will need in the future very trusted partners, because a lot of issue happens in the past in terms of security, and so of course, this new innovation on payments needs IT players that could also support R&D investments, and also in terms to put in the market very secure solutions.
According to you, how can innovation in technology really support innovation in business?
Yes, for our opinion, the key success will not be just in terms of managing financial transactions, but will be also in terms of for the final customer a very new user experience, because of course the user experience could be more relevant than just managing the payment transaction. Then for our point of view, also the new technology in terms of the new devices, the new let me say, operating system, and the convergence of this operating system and these devices like Windows 8 with new tablet, new smartphone inside a unique, let me say, new one user experience could leverage this kind of services, this kind of payment services in a new model. Then, for instance, also my bank could move in a new way, not just for, let me say, PC services, but also for mobile, tablet, and so on. And this is, let me say, a new concept that is in terms of improving user experience, and not just improving your, let me say, payment platform or payment transaction management.
As NTT Data, what is your opinion about the real changes that can be reached in this scenario, both in the medium and long term?
There will be in the medium long term a lot of changes, also in terms to create community around the payments. For instance, social media could be a very new channels for the financial institution, for the banks, for the new players. And so also, let me say, technology and a new experience, importing experience, like we are doing from Japanese colleagues, Japanese experience that has a lot of experience and success in mobile payments and other kind of, let me say, community around payments. Because of course, we heard a lot of times spoke about collaborations, but of course for this kind of, let me say, new wave of changes, new wave of innovation, you have to collect different players, not just banks, not just telco provider, but also, let me say, new social media, new community that are not the traditional, let me say, or the institutional stakeholders.